can't wait. I can't wait to style this with my shit. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's basically what I got. I do have another purse that I got for my birthday. My birthday lands in November, so yeah. But I'll probably show y'all that maybe another day. But it's also cute, it's also Coach. So yeah, get into it, my guy. Get into it. This what all the haters be hating about. You know what I'm saying? All right. I almost forgot. This little tiny thing they gave me as a gift is the purse. All right, that. You know what I mean? Music to my ears. Right. What it is? What is it? I don't know. Oh, that's so cute, the little pouch. What's good today? Do you know? No. Do I know? Maybe. Oh, yeah. Yeah, look at them cherries. Cherries. And then got the little Coach charm. Glistening, my guy. Glistening. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go put it on my purse and then show you how it looks with the purse. Okay, I'll be right back. Hold on. Back. So here's the purse with the little cherries. So stinking cute. Oh my god, I'm freaking in love with this purse. So pretty. It's so freaking cute. And it was the last one too when I went to go get it. It was worth every penny. But catch y'all later again. I hope all of y'all are having a good Christmas. Bye.